Good evening all of you, respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. महाराष्ट्राच्या मुख्यमंत्री पदासाठी राजकीय नाट्य तासनतास ब्रेकिंग न्यूज दाखवल्याला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मल्टीमीडियानो अहो जरा फिरवा की तुमचे कॅमेरे. उसाच्या पाचडात हाडं गोठणाऱ्या थंडीत उस काढणाऱ्या आया बहिणींकडे दाखवा या जगाला जगाच्या पोशिंद्याचं शोषण आणि काळ्या बाजारात विकलं जाणारं आमचं राशन. शेतकऱ्यांचं पाल्यामधनं जगणं दाखवा आणि रात्रंदिवस राबणं दाखवा आणि दाखवा कवळ्या हातातील कोयते आणि कर्जाच्या बोजाने पाठीवरती पडलेले वळही दाखवा आणि दाखवा शेतकऱ्यांच्या सोन्यासारख्या पिकांना भेटलेले मातीमोल भाव दाखवा. And then take the mic in hand and say our country is an agrarian country. 58% of employment is based on agriculture like food industry, farm industry, medical industry, cloth industry, etc. कृषि से जुड़ती है खेती, खेती से जुड़ता है किसान, किसान से जुड़ता है इंसान और इंसान से जुड़ते हैं हम. Even so, farming and farmers give secondary position. If we want to understand the importance of farming, first we have to realize what will be happen if there were no farming. So today I am Smith Kulbhushan Sobalkar, studying in 6th standard, talking on the important topic if there were no farming. Do you like pizza, burger, sandwich? Yes, I know you all like yummy food. But to preparing this food, we need vegetables and we get vegetables from farm. Ice cream तू है बड़ी निराली ठंडी मीठी स्वाद में आ, देख के तुझको मन ललचाया मुंह में भी पानी आया. But if there were no farming, this poem will be meaningless. Can you imagine a birthday party with cake or ice cream? Can you imagine a world with no fresh fruit, veggies, no juicy burger, no milk or egg? It is very hard to picture, right? Human beings have some basic needs like food, clothes, shelter and water. If there were no farming, we not have food to eat, clothes to wear, house for safety and water to drink. Even though farmers keep the air and water clean and they take the care of the soil and environment which keep us healthy. They grow plants that give us oxygen and keep the rivers and lakes clean. Nowadays there came a new technology, AI. This solves all problems. I know some of you make the speech on AI, but AI also cannot provide us alternative to agriculture. All have alternatives, but agriculture have no alternatives. If there were no farming, it directly affects to the human being's life and it destroys then pollution is also increases. So thankful to all farmers that work hard to grow our food and take care of the earth. Let's imagine a world with farming where we have yummy food, fresh air and water, shelter and happy farmers. So let's promise us to always appreciate and give respect to their hard work. Without them we are zero. At last I say, शेती जगली तर देश जगेल, शेती जगली तर आपली भूक भागेल, शेती जगली तर आपल्याला अन्न भेटेल, शेती जगली तर आपल्या जगायला अर्थ भेटेल, शेती जगली तर देश विकासाकडे जाईल. थँक यू.